Let the cats twist the throttle and keep screaming. The throttle stretch.
Afternoon, sir. You know how fast you were going back there? Yeah, 38 and a 20. Way over the limit.
I need your license. Wait, where are you? Hey, no, get out of there. Whoa, stop. Come back here.
Unbelievable.
Afternoon, sir. You know how fast you were going back there? Yeah, well, radar had you at 38 and a 20. That's way over. I just need your license. Hey, listen. Whoa, don't, hey!